Hello viewers, this is IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to insert or return number and week name and month name in Microsoft Excel sheet. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. We want to see now, we open a Excel sheet. We want to insert easily number. At first you go to one cell and type 1 and another cell 2 and we go to first cell and right button click and scroll now and plus and scroll below and number and serially insert and another trick 10 and another we also see now easily insert number and we want to insert week name. We just type Sunday and another cell Monday and easy and we are also see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, in this way we insert week names. We also insert month name. We want type January and another cell February and scroll and easily insert January, February, number, week name and month name. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe to my channel. Keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.